Yo, what's happening, folks? It's Maury here from Loading Woodworks. I am starting off my YouTube channel properly as of today. This video is actually a collaboration with Claire's Crafty Corner and a bunch of other makers who you can find in the description of this video. The link will be there. But today I'm going to be making the classic American red truck and tree combo. So to begin with, I just found a truck that I like. I quite like this one on the right hand side, the sort of grayscale one. So I'm going to copy that and I'll pop it into Inkscape, which is a program that I use for editing. It's free and you can download it yourselves if you want. So let's start off with turning it into a layer image, and then which means basically I can draw over the top of it. Trace out the boundaries, etc., which you'll see me doing in a minute at a sped up pace because it is a little bit time consuming. So now that I've got the layer finished, I'm just going to draw around the outside of the truck using shapes and the nodes tool. Start off with the wheel, do the inner and the outer, and then work my way around the truck. I'm just making the curves flow a little bit better because, you know, I like some curves on our trucks. And then we go in with the door details, doing the same again, making the curves look a bit better, making everything in the right position. Now it's time to work on the details of the truck. I'll just go around selecting what I think will look good. Front of the cab, back of the cab, round the archways, etc. Now I'm just drawing in the wheels, or should I say removing the wheels from the body. Now I'll start working on the fence for the pickup bed. Just use rectangles and then weld them all together. And we check it out, looks good. I quite like this tree. I just downloaded it via my free account and then resized it. Once I was happy with the placement, I just cut away the excess, deleted off the bits I wanted, and then put it back when I needed. And you can hide the bottom layer, and then we obviously need to make the backing board. So that's what you see me doing just now. You gotta remember the little hook for the tree, otherwise it wouldn't be a Christmas decoration, would it? So now that I've done that, I'm just making sure everything's perfect. I've got all the right colours for the laser to use, and once we've done that, we save it and then open it in our laser program, which I'm using K40 Whisperer. So what I'm doing now is a vector engrave. It just brings out all the little details of the truck. And then we go back and we select vector cut. And now it's cutting all the fine detail of the tree first, and then I'll go around the outside of the entire thing. Okay, so now that that's cut out, we'll bring it out the laser and have a little look at it. Sometimes they don't cut all the way through, which is why you can see that rocking and the tree has stayed in position. This is mainly due to the age of my machine, to be fair. That'll be a thing of the past soon, though. Can't wait for my new laser to come. And we'll get this sort of dry assembled on the backing board. about time we add some colour, don't you? Let's jump over to my table. So I'm not going to describe exactly what I'm doing here because it's pretty obvious, but I'm using Sharpies, Posca and a Scribblicious pen. The Scribblicious are the metallic type that you see at the top there. They're really, really nice pens. So to complete the look, I'm just using some super glue here. Got to be careful, I end up covered in it all the time. But it's a quick and effective way of sticking projects together. There we go guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you've got this far, I really appreciate it. Maybe drop me a subscribe and a like, and comment what you'd like to see me making next. Thank you very much guys, it's been a pleasure.